Hey, my name's Abigail Fierce. I'm a singer-songwriter and an actress based in Los Angeles. You might recognize me as Wendy from the Hulu series Love, Victor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Lacy by Olivia Rodrigo on the guitar. This song is super easy and I think anyone can play it, so if you don't get something right away, don't get discouraged. First things first, we're going to start with the capo all the way on the 8th fret. The chord progression for most of the song is just 4 chords. We're going to start with a variation of G. It's just your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Our second chord is E minor 7, which is just your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. And then our third chord, which is a variation of a C chord, you have your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then our fourth chord is just G again. The picking pattern is just 6, 5, 4, 3. Over and over again. If you would like to play the intro to the song, it's just the picking pattern 8 times on G. For the verses, we're going to do the picking pattern twice on each chord. And that goes for every line, so like this. Lacy, oh Lacy, skin like puff pastry. Aren't you the sweetest thing on this side of hell? If you're a beginner and you're having trouble with the picking pattern, you can also just kind of strum up and down like this. Lacy, oh Lacy, skin like puff pastry. I feel your compliments like bullets on skin. If you're not a beginner and you want to sound just like the album recording, you can mute the strings while you pick. So put the palm of your hand right near the bridge here. For the chorus, we're going to do the same chords, same exact picking pattern, but for each chord, we're going to do the picking pattern 4 times. Ooh, I care, I care, I care, like perfume that you wear. I linger all the time, watching hidden in plain sight. And ooh, I try to rationalize people are people, but it's like you're made of. And here's where things get a little weird. We're gonna do the G chord twice, so it's like you're made of, and then the E minor 7 twice, and then we're gonna do a new chord, but you only play it like twice in the song. It's a variation of F sharp, and it's the pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 6th string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and you do that one twice, so angel, and then the C. Dust 4 times. And then we do it all over again. Smart, sexy, lacy, I'm losing. And that's it. That's the whole song. Now here's my cover of it and play along with me. Lacy, oh Lacy, skin like puff pastry. Aren't you the sweetest thing on this side of hell? Dear angel Lacy, eyes white as daisies. Did I ever tell you that I'm not doing well? Ooh, I care, I care, I care, like perfume that you wear. I linger all the time, watching hidden in plain sight. And ooh, I try, but it takes over my life. I see you everywhere, sweetest torture one could bear. Smart, sexy, lacy, I'm losing it. I despise my rotten mind and how much it worships you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift, Phoebe Bridgers, then you might like my music, which you can check out on any music platform under my name, Abigail Fierce. I also have plenty of music videos you can watch on YouTube, and you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at akfierce. This video is brought to you by Elixir Strings in conjunction with Performer Magazine. Lacy sounds particularly good with Elixir's Phosphor Bronze Nano Web-coated strings, so be sure to check these out as well. Bye-bye.